Good day, everyone. I am Wendy Labatina Contasa, 2512 from Municipality of Taytay. Good day, everyone. I am Mariana Albiniano, 1853 from the municipality of Brooks Corner. So my hobbies are watching pageants online, watching musical videos, cooking, dancing, and singing, even though I'm not a singer, but I still love expressing myself through music. So my achievements are graduating junior high school as best in graduate reception, being crowned as Lieutenant Igos 2023 in our barangay, and Lieutenant Turismo 2024 in our municipality, which is Bungsod. And I also succeeded in screening for Miss Universe Philippines Palawan last year, although I was unable to continue the pageant. So something interesting about me is I am an indigenous people, or what we call the Tutubog Balakan. I know how to speak Balakan, pero konti lang po.
Number 008.
Magandang araw, mabuhay. My name is Dorothy de la Cruz, 920, standing 5'2" from Rizal, Palawan. My hobbies are, I'm a dancer, so I do contemporary dance, and I also have a small crochet business. And my achievements are, I was a Mitiano Kalikasan 2018 in Rizal, Palawan, and I was also the Girl Scout Regional Queen 2018, and then I also represented my barangay in Miss Carnata, which is in Cebu, back in 2020. I was also the Microsoft Youth Ambassador Banahaw National School when I was in senior high school, and I was the president of PNS Young Researchers Guild. And I also attended a webinar. In Malaysia, which is during the pandemic, which is all about research convention.
010.
Good day everyone, I am Dana Maria Tilon Calamba. I'm 19 years old and I'm 5'2" tall, and I'm from Nangogan, Barangay Nangogan, part of Princess City. And my hobbies are singing, dancing, and cooking. And also I love to play volleyball. My achievements are here, standing here today. And also I've joined a lot of pageants, but I know that is hindi ko naman po lahat nakukuha yung mga titles, pero nasa mga runner-up lang po ako. Pero I know na kapag sumali po ako dito, may ability po yung sarili ko. And also, interesting about me is, game po ako sa lahat ng bagay. And may mga experience na po ako joining pageants, and I have titles Miss Nangogan 2023 and Miss Cultural Tribal 2025, and also Miss Northeast 2025 first runner-up. And I joined here because I want to improve myself and also my public speaking.
011.
Gusto ko pala na
My name is Shirley Caballero Ramos, 18 years old, standing 5'2", from Barangay Maribon, North area of Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. So, I want to tell you my hobbies first. My hobbies is dancing. Actually, I am joining a festival and street dance in our barangay. And also, I am joining Zumba dance. We are competing here in Subarao. And also, I am drumming a mother majority in our school drumming records. And for my achievements, so since I was elementary, I am joining pageant where I crowned as Miss United Nations and Miss GSP in our school. And then when I turned 14 years old, I joined in our barangay Miss Youth, where I crowned as Miss Youth Marigot 2022. So another one is I joined Piano Maribon, where I get the runner-up, the third runner-up, and then I am crowned as Miss Intramural Team in our school, the Marcelino A. Cabares National High School, the North area of Puerto Princesa. And then I joined Piano Norte last year, 2024, and I just got the runner-up.